Use one of the rod about 1 centimeter, bend it like this. Pass through the heart of the flower and the middle of the jaw. Put the rod into the middle part. Use a needle to put it. Pull down with a little force. This rod is done. Like this. Use the same color, like the jaw and the rod, to wind. The green yarn remains 5 centimeters. Start to wind more times in the first place. Wind down evenly. This place at the petal and the leaf. The front of the leaves is placed on the rod. Place it windward and tighten it. Pinch at the other leaf. The 2 leaves put together face to face. Pinch wind. Wind downwind about 1 centimeter. Remain 10 cm cut off. Make knot hit with your finger. Hit and winder on the rod to form a ring. Pull the yarn out. Tighten it, make a knot. This daisy is assembled. Adjust to the rod. Adjust to the leaf. This is okay.